My name is Suvansh. If it's your first time here, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Welcome back to another episode of Quiz Series. I'm sure this quiz will interest many of you. Yes, it's Cars Quiz. A car logo will be displayed on the screen and we'll have to guess the brand name and its country of origin. Are you all ready to play with me? Let's see who wins this test. The first one. An American car brand. Cadillac. The next one. This should be Audi from Germany. The next one. This should be Toyota from Japan. If you notice, I'm pronouncing the brand names as they should be, like a native speaker. Next one, this should be Hyundai. It's from South Korea. The next one, what a cool car! Alfa Romeo from Italy. The next one, Renault from France. The next one, Easy, BMW, and it's from Germany. The next one, what a cool car! Mercedes-Benz from Germany once again. Next one, a Japanese car brand, Subaru. It's not Subaru, Subaru. The next one, an Italian car brand, Ferrari, not Ferrari, Ferrari from Italy. The next one should be Mitsubishi. It's from Japan. What a cool car! Volkswagen from Germany. It means people's car. The next one. What a cool racing car! Ariel. It's from England. The next one should be Honda from Japan. The next one. It should be Lamborghini, not Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Don't these car brands look a bit weird without their names? Yeah. This should be Lamborghini from Italy. Now it looks better, doesn't it? Next one should be Chevrolet from US. Next one, Tata Motors from India, the Great. The next one should be Nissan from Japan. It's not Nissan, it's Nissan. The next one should be Mazda, and it's from Japan once again. It's not Mazda, it's Mazda. A luxurious car brand, Rolls-Royce. It's from United Kingdom. The next one. This should be Lotus from England. Maybe the UK. The next one. This should be Lancia from Italy, not Lancia or Lancia. Lancia. The next one. Another luxurious car brand, Aston Martin. It's from UK. The next one. This should be Jaguar from England, now owned by Tata Motors, India. The next one. This should be Bentley from United Kingdom. It's a luxurious car brand. This should be Peugeot from France. It's not Peugeot, it's Peugeot. Next one. This should be Skoda from Czech Republic, not Skoda. Skoda. The next one. Mini. Mini, mini, mini. Mini, mini, mini from UK. The next one. What a cool racing car! Acura from Japan. The next one should be Cizeta from Italy, not Cizeta, Cizeta. The next one should be Lister from England. The next one should be Mahindra from India, the great. The next one, Chrysler from the United States. The next one, this should be Porsche from Germany, not Porsche or Porsche, Porsche. The next one, this should be Volvo from Sweden, not Volvo, Volvo. The next one should be Dodge from the United States. Next one, this should be Suzuki from Japan. The next one should be Buick from the United States, not Buick, Buick. The next one, this should be Citroën from France. It's not Citroën, not a lemon, it's a car brand. A Russian car brand, Lada. Next one, this should be Jumpert from Germany, not Gumpert. The next one should be Fiat from Italy, not Fiat, Fiat. Next one should be Maserati from Italy, not Maserati, Maserati. Next one should be Tesla Motors from United States. This should be Dacia from Romania. The next one should be Plymouth from United States. Not Plymouth, Plymouth. Should be Daewoo from South Korea. The next one. This should be Daihatsu from Japan. The next one. This should be DS from France, now owned by China. The next one. This should be Saab from Sweden. The next one. This should be Opel from Germany, not Opel, Opel. The next one. No. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumb. Hope you enjoyed and got all of them correct. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.